Welcome to the Fund 8 closeout video for the Uber of 3D printing manufacturing proposal, also known as the Adosia Decentralized Manufacturing Marketplace. Today we will go over our vision, the 3 phases listed in our proposal, our community metrics, and a pivot decision. Lastly, we will go over our next steps. The vision of the Adosia Decentralized Manufacturing Marketplace is to establish a global network of 3D operators, designers, and makers who will participate in the creation of tools, toys, art, and more, using small-scale manufacturing tools to build real-world items for customers near them, all powered by Cardano smart contracts and the Adosia Marketplace front end and the Spaceprinter. In the Fund 8 proposal, we list 3 phases for closeout. The 3 phases are the 3D Rocket NFT launch, a Lithophane conversion, and the full marketplace MVP. I am happy to report today that all 3 phases have completed, and we would like to take this opportunity to share some of the work product that our community has developed. Our growing community consists of a Twitter page with over 3,600 followers and a highly active Discord server with more than 300 participants, mostly made up of enthusiasts, ambassadors, printer operators, and 3D designers. Our Twitter page is highly engaged with daily updates and a weekly Twitter space building on Cardano that interviews other builders in the Cardano community and provides development updates to the fans and community of Adosia. The first phase of our deliverables, the 3D Rocket NFT, is a great success. 495 rockets were minted on-chain and nearly a dozen have gone through the entire fulfillment process and have been delivered to their happy owners. Here's my new rocket that was printed by Caleb, one of the 3D printer operators on our team who's helping to test the process. If you'd like to participate in this experiment, the minting process is still open. Just go to adosia.com and choose the mint and print options right from the homepage. You can even use ADO tokens or space coins to offset the ADA cost of the mint. Our second phase of the deliverable is the Lithophane printing tool. A lithophane is a translucent print of a 2D photograph. The end result is a framed 3D print that shows details of the image when backlit. As you can see by these examples, the tool works great, and nearly any image can be converted into an interesting piece of physical art. Check out that space bud. The third and most visible aspect of this project is the Adosia Marketplace. The marketplace is the consumer-facing interface that allows end users to browse all of the available designs, select a design for printing, and interact with the manufacturers to have their designs printed. Currently available on the preview testnet, you can visit adosia.market to see the tool for yourself and provide feedback in the upcoming incentivized testnet phases. In the interest of keeping this presentation short, we've placed the full end-to-end demo of the marketplace in a separate video on our Adosia YouTube channel. Interested parties can view the full presentation at this link. In order to deliver a usable experience to the community, our team made a pivot during development to move many of the features from the Raspberry Pi appliance, the Cardano box, into the web-based marketplace. This was necessary in the short term as many of our operators were struggling with network configurations and maintaining the infrastructure necessary to receive large designs via IPFS protocol. Not wanting to delay the launch, we chose to add many of the developed features from Spaceprinter into the marketplace. This allows our end users who are not capable of running a full Spaceprinter node to use a web interface to complete their transactions. We hope that with continued development and training, we will be able to add more Spaceprinter nodes to our network and further enhance our decentralized system. We have 2 tracks of development continuing forward. First, our incentivized testnet is launching, providing opportunities for the community to earn ADO tokens for operating the system during the testnet phase. We will take the learning from this phase and incorporate the changes and feedback into our system as we progress towards a mainnet launch. The second track is listed on our Fund 9 proposals. We have added 5 new features to the marketplace, and we will add the remaining features from Spaceprinter to the Spaceprinter Lite interface in the web marketplace. We would like to take this opportunity to thank the Catalyst community for your continued support of our development. The Adosia Decentralized Manufacturing Marketplace is building on Cardano thanks to the unyielding support of our Catalyst community. Your trust in our team is appreciated. We will continue to build out this experience and work to onboard a whole enthusiast community of makers and designers, along with their customers. If you would like to learn more about our progress, please follow us on social media or join our Discord. Thank you for the opportunity to provide this closeout summary. See you soon with our Fund 9 closeout reports.